Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will replace a taillight assembly or bulbs on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL. If you haven't already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including DIY, maintenance, projects, and yard work. As seen, the passenger side rear tail light is cracked and will need to be replaced. We will first open the rear swing gate or tailgate. We will then open the flip-up window or rear glass lift gate. We will push down the rear seat for additional space. The cover for the rear taillight fastener is in the rear corner behind the seat belt and roll bar. The cover was opened using a flathead screwdriver. A Torx T40 tool was then used to remove the fastener. Because it has both a Torx and a hex head, a 10mm socket may also work. As seen, the fastener is made of plastic along with a metal spring. With the fastener removed, we can now remove the taillight assembly. The red tab on the wiring harness will need to be unlocked before pulling it open. Once the red tab is open, the black tab will need to be pushed down while pulling out the harness. With the harness disconnected, the assembly will be free. Although this assembly will need to be replaced, we will demonstrate how to replace the taillight bulbs. We will first remove the 3 Phillips screws and the cover over the bulbs. The first bulb can be twisted counterclockwise to access, remove, and replace the bulb. With the bulb back in place, it can be twisted clockwise to lock it in the assembly. A flathead screwdriver was used to help access, remove, and replace the second bulb. With the bulb back in place, it can also be twisted counterclockwise to lock it in the assembly. The connector to the third bulb was removed easily because the red tab was not locked. If the red tab was locked properly, it will need to be opened first. Once the red tab is opened, the additional plastic tab will need to be pushed in while the connector is pulled out. The red tab and the additional plastic tab can be better seen in this view. As seen, the third bulb has no fasteners or tabs for removal. The whole assembly will likely need to be replaced when the third bulb needs to be replaced, unless it is cut out, re-glued, and resealed. We will push in the red tab while reinstalling the connector for the third bulb. The plastic cover over the bulbs is set in place with the retaining clip. The 3 screws for the plastic cover will be reinstalled. The wiring harness for the entire taillight assembly will be pushed into place and locked down with the red tab. Using the plastic guides, the taillight assembly will be swung in from the side and then pushed forward to be set in place. The bulbs in the taillight assembly can now be tested. These include brake light, turn signal flasher, and reverse light. We will push in and hold the taillight assembly. While holding the taillight assembly, the fastener can be inserted and tightened into place. It is important not to over-tighten the plastic fastener. With consideration to the spring and being made of plastic, the fastener will stop turning when fully installed. The cover can now be placed over the fastener. The rear seat can now be pulled back into position. The flip-up window or rear glass liftgate can be closed. The rear swing gate or tailgate can now be closed. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.